Nandito kami ngayon sa Go Hotels Puerto Princesa, a place for everyone.
Samahan niyo kami sa pag-explore.
Let's go! Go Hotels Puerto Princesa stands next to newly opened Robinson's Place Palawan Mall, a 15 to 20-minute drive from Puerto Princesa Airport. They provide quality accommodations with a complete and convenient travel experience. At kung ikaw ay Palawenyo, you can avail their 888 Palawenyo rate from October 15 to December 21, 2013. For more info and early booking, just log on to Go Hotels PH or visit Go Hotels Puerto Princesa.
At syempre, narito kami para i-welcome ang lahat ng first-timers dito sa Life Church.
At lahat ng ating social media audiences here in the Philippines and in abroad.
We welcome you to Puerto Princesa,
the city of the living God.
And we welcome you to Life Church,
the home of champions. Last Sunday, nakilala natin si Esther, an ordinary orphan girl whom God used to save her nation. Let's do our Sunday recap.
I will go to the king even though it is against the law. If I perish, I perish. Patay, kung patay. Just remember, you have role and purpose in life. Kung ikaw ay labandera, kailangan malaman mo, labandera ka nga, pero ikaw ay citizens of God. At hindi ka mananatili dyan because you are representing God, ambassadors of Christ. You are going to build the kingdom of God on your position. You are going to build the kingdom of God on your businesses.
I've learned in the life of Esther, katulad natin, pwede tayo maging representation of God, and God is going to use us when we start to be aligned sa church, sa life group, sa pepsol natin, sa prayer life natin. We will bring the gospel sa mga tao na nangangailangan ng Panginoon.
Last September 27 to 28, Pastor Ancho together with 3 of the primary leaders of Life Church conducted an encounter retreat and discipleship training in Life Church London and its network churches. Check out this video.
Hello, Life Church London. We are here in London. Welcome, Life Church. No, we miss you so much. We are here in London, England, at alam niyo naman yun, narito tayo because we want to win souls and make disciples. And I believe with all of my heart that this is the beginning of what God will do to the many, many lives until, alam niyo na yung sinasabi dito, global conquest. This will change the whole scenario ng mundong ginagalawa natin. Pastora Nice, Heather, and Julie are here with me. They're great, fantastically touching lives.
Last week, we had our pre-encounter session. And the people here are very excited to experience Jesus in the encounter retreat.
Last September 27 and 28, dinala po ang ating encounter weekend dito sa London. At meron po tayong 65 men and women na graduate po ng encounter weekend. And they encountered Jesus in a deeper way.
Last Sunday is indeed a great worship service as Pastor Ancho has encouraged us to remain in the vine so we can bear fruits. More and more people came to the altar call and we prayed for them, and after that they are more inspired to be disciples of Jesus Christ.
Keep serving the Lord, keep the fire going, be ablaze with the great love of Jesus Christ because we're here, you're there, as servants of the living God, doing what we can to win the world back to God, winning souls and making disciples.
Ito naman na nangyari last October 11 sa ating prayer power.
Watch this!
Pag magpapakatotoo ka at magiging honest ka kay God, I tell you kapatid, I cannot explain this I cannot even illustrate sa inyo, pero kapatid, God is a God that wants honesty and openness and authenticity. Authentic ka, hindi ka fake. And when you do that, sabi ng Panginoon, I will prune you pa. I will prune you. Kaya if you are going to some problema, you have to embrace the problems. You have to say, yes, Lord, baguhin mo pa ako, baguhin mo pa ako. Because the only purpose of that problem, kung anak ka ng Lord, is never to put you down. It's always to bring the best in you.
Alam EJ, I'm so blessed to hear such testimonies of answered prayers.
Tama ka dyan, nagpapatunay lang yan na God is faithful to those people who are willing and obedient.
Kaya heto, pakinggan natin ang mga patotoo ng mga taong pinagpala dahil inuna nila ang Panginoon.
Nung nagsimula akong mag-take part sa ating mga life groups, mag-attend ng mga prayer meetings, ng morning watch, at gawin itong regular routine ng aking buhay, ang daming mga prayers ang nasagot at ang daming blessings ang dumating. Ang mga ini-invite ko, matagal kong ini-invite sa church, ay napapunta sa church. Jakarta travel namin na mangyayari na next 2 weeks. Recent din na pagkakapanalo sa pageant na hindi ko ina-expect na makukuha ko ang crown. At alam ko lahat ng yun ay favor lang sa akin ni God.
And for all disciples na ready na for Encounter Retreat, mark na your calendars dahil this will be on October 18 to 19. For more details, contact your network leaders. Next Sunday, our worship celebration ay mahahati sa 24 networks at gaganapin sa iba't ibang locations. We encourage everyone to invite your friends. To know your location, refer to live updates or contact your network leaders.
At yan ang ating mga updates for this week.
I'm Chester.
And I'm EJ, and this is Life News.